Hi everyone, I'm Rakesh. Hope everyone is doing great. I'm here to discuss with you the project named bookyourmovie.com project. Okay, before going to code, let's have a glimpse about what are the requirements of project. Here, whenever whenever I run the main.py file, it should show us an interaction menu like show the seats, buy a ticket, and statistics, show book tickets, user info, and exit. And and we can also define the size of the hall, by entering the number of rows and by entering the number of seats in each row, we can define the size of the hall. And and we should show the cinema in such a way, I mean vacant seats or total number of seats in such a way. And notice that S shows the vacant seat here and B shows the reserved seat here. For row number 3, column number 5 is reserved. That means S is for vacant and B is for reserved. And whenever I buy a ticket, second option, buy a ticket. When I buy a ticket, it should ask me row number and a column number for the ticket booking. Okay, and for the proceeding, it should ask me a confirmation like choose S. If I choose S, it should take details of name, gender, age, and phone number. And third one is statistics. We are pulling 4 different types of measures here, like number of purchased ticket, percentage is like total book tickets to the total number of tickets, and current income is like cumulative current income, and total income is total possibility income. This total possibility income depends on the size of the hall, I mean size of the tickets, total number of tickets. Okay, the ticket prices determine the following rules. Okay, here is the interesting thing, like if we have a smaller room, that means number of seats is less than 60, the price of each ticket is $10. In a larger room, the tickets are $10, and front of the rows are $8, and back of the rows, I mean sorry, no, the tickets are $10 for the front half of the rows and $8 for the back of the rows. And here we go, show book tickets user info, like whenever I press the 4, it should show name, gender, age, ticket price, phone number. Okay, click go into the, we'll click go to the code. Actually, here I named it class movie, and here I initialized using, so here we can take input like self.rows, self.seats, which decides the size of the hall, defines the size of hall. And here I created 2 lists, like adding selected rows in the list when we book the ticket, adding selected columns in the list when we book the ticket. And also I created different types of methods to the seats, buy a ticket, and statistics, user info, such that, like, I also created different type of string method checks. I'm checking these using using each digit method, string method, whether the users are entering the correct value or not, putting correct value or not. So if they put invalid value, it should say please enter the correct value. So that's the reason I used while loop here, while loop and continue. So until and unless the user gives valid input, it will continue again and again. And here, this is for the map. This is for seat matrix. And next thing is like buy ticket. Whenever whenever buy a ticket, it should ask for confirmations, and it should store the details given by the user input. And I'm storing these details in dictionary later, then I'm storing in list. And this is about statistics. This is about for if you have less than 60 seats, this is total income, and if you have greater than 60, this is a total income. This is for balcony, and this is for front off. Yeah, I simply pulling out the data from the list I stored, getting the user information of ticket book details. Okay, let me quickly run this code. It says, welcome to the cinema world. Note, please enter the required values in numbers other than 0 to continue. Kindly give the inputs which decides the size of the. Okay, what else if I press an invalid input? So please enter the correct value as per note. Okay, enter the number of rows. Let's enter 8. And enter the number of seats in each row. Let's enter 9. So let me see the seat, how they are looking. Oh, cool, cool. 8 rows and 9 columns. Let me buy a ticket actually here. Wow. You can select the vacant seats. As for vacant seats, B for results. All are vacant seats. Okay. Let me select first row and fifth column and press 5 for S to proceed. You are booking further, or else the input other than Y will discard your booking. If I put other than Y, it will say please For example, your booking can't be proceeded anymore. Okay, let me buy a ticket again. Let me go, entering column, enter the column number as fine. Okay, buy. Let me enter my name and enter M for male, M for female. So enter your gender. You can select your gender by selecting M or F for all. Enter age number 23 and phone number 93. So your ticket has booked successfully. Let me see the statistics now. Wow, oh, number of purchase ticket is 1, percentage, current income is $10, total income is that. Okay, let me buy a ticket at that once more. Now I can choose, now I'll choose this. See, here you can see that first row, fifth column is booked. Now I can select the vacancy. It's, I will select first row, fourth column, buy. Let me choose a name here. Different name, age number. See, if I put wrong age, what has happened? Okay, give a valid input. Okay, cool. Cool. Your ticket has been booked successfully. Let me see. Let me see these ticket details. Actually, I want to press 4, first row book ticket user info, enter row number, enter column number. So it gives me the user info details, and I'll check mine actually. So it given my details actually. Next, see, we will see statistics now. Wow, number of purchase tickets to percentage, percentage, current income is 20. Okay, what we do is like we will book a ticket, it's front of row, so it should show as $8, right? Let me do that. These two seats are booked. Now I'm trying to book in a front of, so it should show me as $8. So let me do that. Whoa, so price of the ticket is $8. Press 5 for continuous. Yes. Enter your name. Okay. And some name. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. Now, what happens here is like, if you want to show the seats now how many seats are booked? 1, 2, 3. 3 seats are booked. Now let's see the statistics. It will be like $28. Let's see. Yeah, damn, it's like $28. Cool. Okay. If I want to exit that, I simply press 0. It will be exited. You have exited. Have a great day. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And we'll quickly go to case diagram. Actually, here the case diagram defines that user can define the size of the hall. He can decide the size of the hall. User can he can directly access to show the seats and book tickets, and he has direct access to book ticket user info and statistics. And these statistics are taken from total expected income, current income, like that, and and book ticket from this book ticket details too. So this is a simple user case diagram I preferred. Next, hope everything is cleared. Yeah, I had a great time doing this project. Actually, this is my first project. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.